Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels without watermarks for absolutely for free. First thing, you want to launch the Instagram app and then let's scroll through the feed of Reels and let's try to find some reel that we like, okay? Let's say I want to download this reel over here. So how are we gonna go about? I want to click on the paper airplane, as you can see over here underneath the post. Then I'm gonna select copy link. After we copy the link on the clipboard, we wanna go to this website over here. Look at this. It's called publer.io. You wanna click on the publer.io. You wanna come on the search box. You wanna paste the link from the video. Then you wanna hit download. So this website is cool because, as you can see underneath, it processes very fast. You can click download from here, but the site has no ads, has no watermarks, and no registration is required. That's what it says. Also, you can download IG photos, IG videos, IG stories, even TikTok videos. So this is how you can download Reels for free, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.